Hilbert symbol. In mathematics, the Hilbert symbol or norm-residue symbol is a function from kx to the group of nth roots of unity in a local field, k such as the fields of reals or p-adic numbers. It is related to reciprocity laws and can be defined in terms of the Artin symbol of local class field theory. The Hilbert symbol was introduced by David Hilbert 1897, sections 64, 131, 1998, English translation in his Zahlbericht, with the slight difference that he defined it for elements of global fields rather than for the larger local fields. The Hilbert symbol has been generalized to higher local fields. Quadratic Hilbert symbol. Properties. Interpretation as an algebra. Hilbert symbols over the rationals. Kaplansky radical. The general Hilbert symbol. Properties. The Hilbert symbol is multiplicatively bilinear. ABC equals ACB, CBC, BC, EBC, BCB, CB, CB, CBC, BCB, CBC, BC, 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 EB, CBC, BC, CBC, BC, BC. ABC equals A, ba, C skew symmetric. AB equals B, a one-degenerate. AB equals 1 for all B if and only if A is in K asterisk and it detects norms, hence the name norm-residue symbol. AB equals 1 if and only if A is a norm of an element in Kn. B it has the symbol properties. A1 equals 1, A equals 1. Hilbert's reciprocity law. Power residue symbol.